Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create Snapchat account. Now first of all, go to your Snapchat application and you will see an interface like this. All you have to do now is simply tap on the sign up button that is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now simply allow Snapchat to access your contacts. Simply tap on allow. Now insert your first and last name. Now what you have to do is simply type your first and last name, right? Then after that, tap on continue, which is at the blue button. Now what you have to do is simply select your birthday, right? I'll just simply select this one. Now simply tap on continue and you will show in an username. You can also change your username by simply tapping on change my username, which is at the blue button at the middle of the screen. For now, I will not, so simply tap on continue after doing everything. Tap on continue at the bottom and create a password for yourself. After typing your password, simply tap on continue. Now what you have to do is type your email address. After typing your email address, simply tap on continue, or you can use your phone number instead. You can also use phone numbers. To use your phone number, simply tap on this use phone number instead option that is in blue color. I will show you how. Simply type your phone number here. Code will be sent to you and it will be filled automatically. After that, it will show you all the contacts that are in your, they might be in your contacts, and it will show here. To just add them, you can simply tap on this add friends at the bottom. Simply tap on add friends and it will be added. So what you have to do is simply follow these and create your bitmojis and create a Snapchat account will be simply completed. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.